Hadirin kajing syak jong Dr. Alok Singh ubade Assistant Professor kan nehu ke Skul Ba kalarai bantau dari Komiti Bentuk Kidnya halor kate kajing ja Professor kan nehu Ba Davidson pengrob ulapan tikna ba kat ba 4 bu por nak bentak kajing tok ket ke bor penyat jong kan nehu ke penrem jur halor kate kajing syak thambor Professor pengrob ulapan pau ba kila tip ya kini kajing ja ka janmit jong kasing palai henry ke bat tip tikna ya ki badon keti kini kajing ja kelawan rak kajing sukha kamtam kajing pahara ya ke kampus ka ba lapen long ya ki bakin le mardor nang banwan rak jing singan ya kit khot jong ke Skul Ba
On behalf of the university and the administration, we condemn such kind of violence inside the university campus, and we assure that the security of the teaching fraternity as well as the students is of utmost importance to the university administrators. From the side of the university, a committee will be formed to form an inquiry committee which will look into the matter, what happened and what result, why such kind of incident happened in the university camp.